Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make baklava syrup. First, gather your essential ingredients for a perfect batch. You'll need 2 cups of granulated sugar and 1 cup of water. For that classic rich flavor and to help prevent the syrup from crystallizing, add about 1/2 cup of honey. A tablespoon or 2 of fresh lemon juice brightens the taste. For an aromatic touch, consider adding a cinnamon stick or a strip of orange peel to the mixture. Now let's get cooking. In a saucepan, combine your sugar and water, stirring over medium heat until the sugar completely dissolves. Once dissolved, bring the mixture to a boil. Then, reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for about 15 to 25 minutes, allowing it to thicken slightly. Remember, once it starts boiling, avoid stirring to prevent unwanted crystallization, ensuring a smooth, clear syrup. Once your syrup has simmered to the right consistency, remove any aromatics like cinnamon sticks or citrus peels. It's crucial to let the syrup cool completely before pouring it over your freshly baked baklava. This ensures the baklava remains delightfully crisp and doesn't become soggy. The cooled syrup should be thick enough to coat the back of a spoon, indicating it's ready to infuse your pastry with sweet goodness. For the best results, use a light-colored, shiny metal pan for even heat distribution when making your syrup. Remember, the golden rule for baklava is to pour cool syrup over hot, freshly baked pastry to achieve that perfect texture. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals. Finally, allow your baklava to rest for several hours, or even overnight after adding the syrup. This resting period is essential for the flavors to meld beautifully, and for the syrup to fully penetrate every delicious layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.